Hey everyone! Have you been waiting for Samsung's next budget-friendly 5G powerhouse? Well, the wait is almost over. The Samsung Galaxy A26 5G is officially on the horizon, and trust me, this phone is shaping up to be a game changer in its price range. From a blazing fast 120Hz display to a massive battery and some serious performance upgrades, this device is already turning heads. But that's not all. Today, we've got some exclusive leaks and details that you won't want to miss. So, stick around because this is everything you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. Samsung has quietly dropped the support page for the Galaxy A26 5G in multiple regions, including the UK, Ireland, and Latin America. While the support page doesn't reveal much, it's a clear sign that the official launch is just around the corner. The device, with the model number SMA26B-DS, has also been spotted on multiple certification platforms like India's BIS, TÜV Rheinland, and Bluetooth SIG. This means Samsung is gearing up for a global rollout, and we could see the Galaxy A26 5G hit the shelves very soon, possibly alongside the Galaxy A36 and A56, which are rumored to launch in March. Now, let's dive into the juicy details. According to leaks and rumors, the Galaxy A26 5G is set to be a major upgrade over its predecessor, the Galaxy A25. It's expected to feature a large 6.64-inch or 6.7-inch FHD Plus display with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate for ultra-responsive scrolling, gaming, and media consumption. Under the hood, the phone might pack an overclocked Exynos 1280 processor, which should deliver solid performance for everyday tasks and gaming. However, some sources suggest it could even feature the Exynos 2400E chipset, which would be a huge leap in power and efficiency. The device is likely to run on One UI 7 based on Android 15, bringing it in line with Samsung's latest flagship models like the Galaxy S25 series. This means you'll get all the latest features, security updates, and a clean, user-friendly interface. The 455 and 65 mAh battery is rumored to be on board, paired with fast charging support. This should easily get you through a full day of heavy usage, and the fast charging means you won't be tied to an outlet for long. While we don't have official images yet, the Galaxy A26 5G is expected to follow Samsung's signature design language, featuring slim bezels, a punch-hole display, and a glossy back panel. As for cameras, we're expecting a triple or quad camera setup, likely including a high-resolution primary sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and possibly a macro or depth sensor. Samsung has been stepping up its camera game in the budget segment, so we're hoping for some solid photography capabilities here. Samsung has always been competitive with its A-series pricing, and the Galaxy A26 5G is expected to follow suit. While we don't have exact numbers yet, it's likely to fall in the mid-range category, making it a fantastic option for those looking for 5G connectivity without breaking the bank. With the support page going live, the phone could launch within the next few weeks, with a global rollout shortly after. The Galaxy A26 5G is shaping up to be one of the most compelling budget 5G phones of 2024. With a high refresh rate display, powerful processor, and long-lasting battery, it's poised to offer incredible value for money. And with Samsung's reputation for reliable software updates and build quality, this could be the perfect upgrade for anyone looking for affordable 5G power. So, what are your thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy A26 5G? Are you excited about the 120Hz display, the rumored Exynos 2400E chipset, or the massive battery? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because we'll be bringing you the latest updates on the Galaxy A26 5G as soon as they drop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.